This is a particular isometric figure that I would be 3D modeling today. So let's break down this particular isometric figure. As you can see, it's a big rectangular block which has different kinds of cuts. There are many ways of 3D modeling this figure, so feel free to try out different methods of modeling this. So let's begin by creating a part in SolidWorks. So I will start by the top plane. I'll create a sketch, and as you know, it's a rectangle. The base is rectangle. I'll dimension it. So the dimension is 50 by 75. So I'll say this is 50 by 75. As always, I keep my dimensions in mm, and extrude is 56, so we'll go right away and extrude this particular figure. We'll exit sketch, go under features and extrude this to 75. Oh, it was not 75, it was 56. So let's just go ahead and edit a feature. We'll say that the extrude is 56 in height, and that's how we get it. So let's go ahead and see what else we can okay, so we will need to extrude cut this particular feature here, this cut. So as you can see, the dimensions are not very clear, but we will try to make out. So this is 24. Okay, so we leave that later on the later half. As you can see, this is a particular slant, so we will try to cut out this portion. This is 12, this is the whole length, and what's the height? Okay, the height is 56 minus 32, so we will do that first. I will select this particular edge, this particular face. I will create a sketch here. I will go normal to this sketch, and now I will just say convert entities, and I will just draw some random lines from here to here to here. I'll make some dimensions. I'll say from here to here is 12 as previously seen, and from this edge to this edge, let's see what's the dimensions. It is okay, so it is not given properly. I'll assume that this dimension is 24, so it will be 24 minus the particular 75, the total length. So I will say that this is 75 minus 24, then we end up with 50. So we are pretty much done. We will just trim some entities. I'll trim this length, I'll trim this, and we end up with that. We'll exit sketch. We will go to extruded cut, and okay, so we already selected that. I don't want it through all, so I will just select a dimension. It will be 56 minus 32, I believe. Yes, 32. 56 minus 32, and we are done with this particular feature. This is how it looks like. Now we will go ahead and we will just cut this slant. So I'll just select this. I will create an sketch on that plane. I will go normal to the plane. I will go ahead and I will draw the triangle like this. All I need to do is dimension this point to this edge to be 24, and we have completed our sketch. The sketch is fully constrained. We will go ahead to features, and we will extrude cut this portion, and I will say through all, and the last set of feature that is left is this feature. I will create a sketch on that side, and I will draw a triangle. So I will first draw a center line from the center of this particular line. So let me draw a ordinary line over here. Now I will say from here to say over here, then here, and then here. Okay, now I'll add some relations. I'll say that this line, the center line, and this line, they are symmetry, so they're symmetric to each other. All I need to know is the height of it. The height is 16. Okay, so from here to the bottom is 16, and then it is 25, and then this should be, so this should be 9. So let's give it some dimensions. From here to the bottom was said to be 16. I'll just say that to be 16. From this point to here was 25. Okay, so I'm over dimensioning it. You already know that's the half, and then from this point to here is 9. So it will be same on the other side. As we mentioned, it's symmetric. We will exit the sketch. We will go into features and say extrude cut, and let's see what's the length of the extrude cut. It's 36. So let's just give the depth as 36, and we are good to go. So this is how your final figure should look like, or a 3D model should look like.